And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Well, welcome back and thanks for joining us here at News 5. We're taking a look at Keystone, the North Peak right now. We had some snow showers move through earlier. Most of that has melted, but we can still see some of the snow in those shadows of those trees. But again, most of that has melted. This is Sentinel Peak. This was sent in by Kim Schumer. Thank you for sending that in to us. And you can see the widespread snow that we saw for that peak in particular. And Woodland Park is also seeing some snow showers in the area. This was sent in by Miss Bonnie. Thank you for sending this in to us. But we could see some more snow showers specifically for Woodland Park move into the area overnight, especially since those temperatures are going to get a little bit colder overnight. But we do have some watches and warnings that are in effect right now. So the wet mountains are going to have that winter weather advisory as well as the top of Pikes Peak. Now this is going to go until Saturday at 6 p.m. So we could see a few inches of snow on top of those mountains, but specifically for Pikes Peak, I think it's going to be more of a wet, heavy snow. It's not going to be that light, fluffy snow that we like to see. So this storm system that's going to be moving through, it's going to be lingering really until Sunday, but most of those advisories are going to go until Saturday at 6 p.m. Now we could see 1 to 3 feet of snow for those far western mountains. So Telluride area, they could see a few feet out there. In those taller peaks, they could see some more snow up there. But for the I-25 corridor in the plains, we're going to be dealing with that heavy rain, and we could see some thunderstorms in the area as well. But if you do want to head to the mountains this upcoming weekend, definitely be careful on those roads, especially near Wolf Creek Pass, because it is going to be slippery at times. So you might want to reschedule that, or if you do head out to the mountains, just make sure that you use caution on those roads. So this is what the overall picture is looking like right now. Now that storm system right now is currently over Arizona, and you can see that counterclockwise rotation there, and that's what's helping to stream in all of this moisture into the state. That's giving us that cloud cover and some of that widespread heavy rain. It's really just streaming into the state right now. A little bit of a closer view right now. We are seeing some more of those heavier rain showers up towards Lyman right now. We are still seeing some rain in the Springs and Pueblo as well. We'll start to see this pick up as we go into the overnight hours and into Saturday morning as well. Now for the next few days, in terms of those rain chances, tomorrow is really going to be the day we're going to see the most amounts of rain, but we'll start to see that linger into Sunday morning. Overnight lows tonight, 35 for the Springs, 44 for Pueblo. A little bit of a cooler day tomorrow. Most of us are going to be in those 50s. As for the next 7 days, Saturday 55, but once we get into the week, we'll start to warm up into those 70s. This is what your rain chance hour by hour is going to be looking like. It's going to be up and down throughout most of the day tomorrow. Pueblo, we're going to be 59 for tomorrow. It's going to have some breezy conditions along with that rain. We could see some thunderstorms move through as well, but we'll be back into the 70s by this upcoming week. Canyon City, 57 for tomorrow. We're going to have some heavy rain in the area, but we'll eventually warm up into those 70s. A little bit cooler on Wednesday, though. Woodland Park, we could see more of a transition to more of those snow flurries as we go into the overnight hours, but we'll eventually be in those 60s by this upcoming week.